Okay, guys, I have a theory. I I was just looking around in my code. No one's in it, but in there, I don't know if you guys know what's. I don't know if you guys know if you already know this. So, oh, so you know the big mountains, like the cave and mountains. um, in that star thing. The star thing is in the sky in that in this place. So, like it like once you get in here, you hear like breathing and like water dripping sound. Like you hear it. So I went up here, just looking around at these cosmetics. Um, and then I hear something strange coming from that way. I believe it's this way, because like somewhere it's over there. I hear breathing with water dripping sounds. Like there's no water dripping right now, so it's over there. I hope I'm not being stupid. It's just right here. You hear it? Like you can hear water dripping, and you can also hear like breathing. And that thing right there, where my finger is pointing at, that looks suspicious. Cause I don't see it on any other tree, unless if I'm being stupid. So I think there's something have to do with that star in this place. So yeah, um, it's a little theory for me. So I probably am stupid, but like I don't know if any of you guys can hear it in this. So please like and subscribe. Bye.